Hi, it's Richard Bourdeaux from Norcom Mortgage. Today I just want to briefly show you how to use financing backed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, or the USDA, to buy a house with zero down payment. Nothing. No down payment. Zero. The hardest part about buying a home for most people is figuring out how to come up with a down payment and closing costs. Everywhere you look, unfortunately, you see news articles or internet features or social media talking about how your credit score has to be 720 and you need 20% down to buy a house. Fortunately, that's not the case. Homes in most urban and suburban areas require as little as 3% down. For people who don't mind living a little bit off the beaten path, it's still possible to buy a house with little or no money at all. Now, whether you currently live in Baltimore, Annapolis, D.C., Wilmington, Philadelphia, or any other city in the Mid-Atlantic, all you have to do is add about 10 to 20 minutes to your commute to buy a house with zero down. Behind me here is a map of all the eligible areas for this financing. So let's take a look. Only the areas that are shaded in tan are not eligible. Everything else is. So as you can see, there's more area that is eligible than isn't. Now, if you're worried about closing costs, which you should be because they can be 3 or 4% of the price of the house, the USDA loan has two very unique and special features that can eliminate that problem. First, you can finance up to the appraised value of the house with USDA financing. So, for instance, if you want to buy a house that's $200,000 and it ends up appraising for $210,000, you can include all of your closing costs in the mortgage. Now, if that same house appraises for the sale price, the seller is allowed under this program to pay up to 6% of the sale price towards your closing costs, which, as I said, were generally about 3 to 4% of the purchase price. So, problem solved again. So, if you thought you couldn't buy a house because you don't have enough money, there may well be an easy solution. Please feel free to give me a call or send me an email. Here's my contact information. I very much look forward to the opportunity to help you out to buy your next house. Thank you very much for watching.